Now in this session of video we are going to discuss continuity and type 4. I have already solved type 1, type 2, type 3 questions and a link given to you at the end of this video. If you don't understand type 1, type 2, type 3, so go through this link and try to understand type 1, type 2 or type 3. Clear? We are going to discuss now type 4 type questions of continuity. In this session we will discuss the continuity of a composite function. Clear? So first of all we have understand about the composite function. So we have already talked about this composite function in chapter 1, relation and function. Clear? In that one we have discussed composite function. Okay, so if you don't know about that what is composite function, so first of all go through my video I have uploaded for relation and function. First understand composite function and then discuss wheel continuity. Clear? So now we have example. Show that the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x is continuous at x is equal to pi. So what we have given? We have given a function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Clear? First of all, fx is equal to modulus of sin x plus cos x. So this function is not a single function, this is a composition of function. Clear? Let gx is equal to sin x plus cos x and we have to let another function hx is equal to modulus of x. Clear? And if we combine that, so what we get? We get HOG x. Clear? H of function gx, and we know that this can be written as hgx. Further this can be written as h, and gx is what? Sin x plus cos x, and we know that hx is equal to mod x, so finally we get sin x plus cos x and its modulus, and that is fx. Clear? ये तो आपको समझ में आ गया कि ये this is the composition of function. Now what we have to do? We have to prove that this fx is continuous. Okay, in order to prove fx, first of all we understand that the composition of function by a figure, and that is suppose we have three sets A, B and C, and AB is related with function what we are selecting? Gx, and B and C is connected with hx. Suppose in set A we have an element x, so what kind of element we found in B? Gx. ठीक है, कैसे एलिमेंट मिलेंगे? Gx. और C में कैसे एलिमेंट मिलेंगे? HO, H of Gx. Clear? Now next we have to prove fx is continuous. Clear? So just look at that. First of all we have to prove gx is continuous at x and h is continuous at gx. gx किस पे continuous होना चाहिए? x, और x हमको given है pi, so we can write that x is equal to pi. So what we get? G pi. X is equal to pi. G pi पे. If this g function is continuous at x is equal to pi. Clear? So we have two different function, gx or hx. So first we have to prove that gx is continuous at x. So in this case we have given x is equal to pi. So x is equal to pi so we get g pi. So x is continuous, g is continuous at x is equal to pi. Now hx, if we prove that hx is continuous at g pi, इसके लिए एलिमेंट क्या होंगे, सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स होंगे सारे. g फंक्शन के लिए a डोमेन है, h फंक्शन के लिए b डोमेन है. क्लियर है. सो हमको यहाँ जो एलिमेंट मिलेंगे g पाई, g2 पाई, g3 पाई. सो वी हैव सेलेक्ट वन एलिमेंट, so we selecting that g pi. So if hx is continuous at g pi, so we can say that it is a composition of function HOGX is continuous. Clear? So now we have to prove two things. First of all, in order to prove that fx is continuous, we have to prove first gx is continuous at x is equal to pi. Clear? So now we find the value of gx. This is first. And second, what we have to find? Hx is continuous at g pi. Clear? So first we'll prove gx is continuous as. Okay. So first we'll find the value of g pi. So g pi is equal to sine pi plus cos pi. So g pi is equal to, we can put up the value of sine pi and cos pi, so we get -1. Clear? Because we know that sine pi is 0 and cos pi -1. So g pi is equal to, we have -1. Now we have to find out limit x tends to pi gx is equal to, अगर लिमिट x टेंस टू पाई gx की वैल्यू फंक्शन की वैल्यू के इक्वल हो जाए, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन. क्लियर? सो वी कैन राइट इट एज लिमिट x टेंस टू पाई sin x plus cos x. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to put in the values directly. Sin pi plus cos pi. Clear? Now you can ask question, sir ये प्रूफ करने की जरूरत क्यों नहीं पड़ा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड? Because we know that the sine function is continuous function. Clear? We will discuss later on this one. But sin pi plus cos pi, so sin pi is 0 and cos pi -1. So limit x tends to pi gx, ये वैल्यू -1 आ गई. क्लियर? किसकी? लिमिटिंग वैल्यू. बट g pi what we have? -1. So the value of limit is equal to the value of function. So limit x tends to pi gx is equal to g pi. Clear? So if this is equal, so we can say gx is continuous at x is equal to pi. क्लियर? इसमें कोई डाउट है? देखिए वेल हम लोग पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. टू प्रूव अ कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन, इफ यू प्रूव दैट लिमिट x टेंड्स टू एनी पॉइंट, x टेंड्स टू, सपोज दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1, fx is equal to f1, so we can say that this function is continuous. Clear? Now second we have to prove second, hx is continuous at g pi. Clear? For that, let y is equal to g pi. So g pi we know that what? -1. So y is equal to what? -1, because g pi is equal to -1. So now we have to check continuity of hx at -1. We have to prove hx is hy is continuous at y is equal to -1. So similarly process we apply. Limit y tends to -1, hy so left hand limit and right hand limit we will discuss. Now LHL at y is equal to -1. Limit y tends to -1 minus hy is equal to limit h tends to 0 -1 minus 0 h minus 0 -1 minus h. Clear? And if we put this value, limit h tends to 0, so -1 or minus h. So finally limit h tends to 0, we get modulus of -1 minus h, and we get 1, because we know that modulus of -1 is 1. RHL, right hand limit, limit x tends to -1 plus fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 -1 plus h fx hx. Limit h tends to 0, so we can write it as -1 plus h modulus, and further it can be written as -1. Again we get 1. So left hand limit y tends to -1, y tends to -1, hy is equal to limit y tends to -1 plus hy. Clear? Now we have to prove composition of function. So hy can be written as, now finally, h of gx. Clear? So h gx, sorry, g pi minus, we know that g pi is -1 and it is modulus of -1, so we get 1. So finally we can conclude that we can, if let equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, so we can write it as limit x tends to LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of function. Clear? All three are completed. Hence hx is continuous at g pi. So overall we can concluded that gx is continuous, fx is continuous, clear, at x is equal to pi, clear. So again I repeating that if we have to prove composite function, so if we prove that we have function and a composition of function is continuous, clear, and it is a two functions h gx, clear. So if gx is continuous, so we have to prove h gx also continuous. So if we prove that these two are continuous at a given point, so we finally we can say that fx is continuous, clear. Now in next video we'll discuss continuity of between the intervals.